Have you been trying to use the fake background and you can't seem to unlock that pro feature? Well, I used to be in that position, so I'm going to teach you how to edit your videos using a fake background. Welcome to our beginners class. It's your girl Linda again, and today we are going to talk about editing your video with a fake background. Now, some of you that have started implementing what we talked about in our previous class will definitely get to a point where they start to feel, okay, I don't like the aesthetics of my background, and so I might not want to be putting out videos anymore. Well, I used to be in that position, so I'm going to teach you how to edit your videos using a fake background. Now, the software we'll be needing for this edit is the Capcut. Now, if you've been to the Capcut app, you will notice that this feature is actually a pro feature, meaning that you have to subscribe before you can have access to download the video you're going to edit using this feature. But not to worry, that's why I'm here for you. I'm going to teach you how to edit your videos using a fake background and also get to download your videos without having to pay for these pro features. But before we go right into it, you need to get a tripod, because whatever you're using to record your video has to be on a steady place, and you yourself videoing yourself have to be in a steady position. I'm not asking you to come and stand like this, but I'm just saying that you should minimize the rate at which you shift and shift, because all those things tend to affect the background when you do that. Another thing you need to do is focus your lights directly on your face. It is very, very important. So before I proceed, if this is your first time joining us in this our beginners class, thank you so much for joining us, and thank you for staying with us. Come on, have fun with us. You're always welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment on our video. So without wasting much of your time, let's go right into today's class. The first thing you want to do is to open your Capcut app. You click on new project, import your background, which is mostly picture. When you import your background, you drag it to the length of the video you want to work on. If your video is 4 minutes, then you drag it to 4 minutes. Now, after you've done that, you want to import your video. So you go back and click on overlay. You don't click on that plus sign there, no. You click on your overlay. Now, when you click on your overlay, there's the overlay, okay, yes. When you click on this overlay, it goes to your gallery. You click on your video, import your video. You reduce the size of your video because we want to work on this background. I want to blur this background. I don't want it to be as sharp as it is, so I want to blur the background. So in order to blur this background, you go to your video effects. When you get to your video effects, you type blur. When you type blur, you see different types of blur. I clicked on the first one. Then the effect was automatically added to the video. Have you been trying to use the fake background and you notice that the effect was both on the video and the background, which is not what I want. So what I would do is I'll go back and go and remove this. Yes, I'll delete it. So once I delete it, the effect will only be on the background but not on the video. Now, once I've done that successfully, I can go back to my video effects, click on the blur and adjust. If I want to increase the intensity of the blur, I shift it forward. If I want to reduce the intensity, I take it backwards. So depending on the intensity you want. Now, once you've successfully done that, you proceed with your video. All you need to do next is to increase the size of your video. We were done working on the background. Now I want to work on the video by removing the background. So you increase the size of your video in order to work on your video. Now, once you've increased the size of your video, have you been trying to use the next thing for you to do is to locate the remove background on the app. You have to locate where the remove background, which is right here. Okay, yes, remove BG, that's background. Then you click on remove background. Sometimes the effect does not take off immediately, so you have to reinstall, then re-click again. Once you re-click again, that's auto remover. Once you re-click again, the effect takes off, and voila, you have your video, you have your background removed, and you have your fake background in position. You play your video to listen to yourself. Now, here's the problem. If you're using a background that was elongated, that is, you imported a picture, then you elongated it to the size of your video, there's a tendency of your video hanging. Your video will hang or skip at some point. Okay, let me show you example what I meant. Okay, you can see here now the video has stopped. It is still talking in the background, but it is not moving. That is what I meant. So in order to overcome this problem, what you need to do is to split your videos. You can decide to start splitting, give it like 5 seconds, then split, or 10 seconds, then split. You can see what I'm doing, or 15, then split. Now this will help you overcome the hanging problem. Your video don't get to hang. And please make sure you watch your video after doing all those things, so you're sure you've been able to tackle any problem that could arise as a result of this. Now another thing I want you to take note of is the fact that looking up, when you look up, you see a pro written on top, meaning that the feature that you are using is something you need to pay for before you can export your video. It's not a free version. Now what do you do in order to overcome this? Is simple. Have you been trying to use the fake? Before we talk about getting your final video, let's talk about reducing noise. Now, I want to reduce the noise in the background. Now, that feature is always at the extreme end. So all you just need to do is to swipe to the extreme end where you see reduce noise. You click on it, it removes all the background noise present in your video. Now you see, we splitted the video, so you need to keep checking and be sure that the reduced noise will apply to all section of your video. But once you check like 2 or 3 and it's there, then you're good to go. Then you can then proceed to screen recording your video. Once you screen record your video, then you import it back into Capcut to crop it, and you get your final video. I hope you learned something from today's class, and I want to believe that you're going to implement everything that was taught in the class. If you've not seen our previous video, please endeavor to see our previous video. Like we always say, this is a beginner's class and we are going to take each step one after the other. So please follow up with the classes while we keep dishing out different tips you need to learn so that you can actually blow up. Thank you so much for staying with us. If you have not subscribed, you're wrong. You're wrong. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. And if there's any video you want me to produce, if there's anything you want me to talk about, don't forget to drop it in the comment section. I'll be more than willing to talk about them. I will see you in my next class.